So we're at the Truman Brewery and we're here tonight to celebrate the world premiere of the new Range Rover Evoque.
I'm really excited to see the new Evoque. I mean, I love Range Rover, I've loved all of them, I've driven all of them, and I just can't wait to see what they do next. They always do something interesting and exciting. I just want to kind of get in it now.
The exterior I would describe as a sophisticated evolution of the original, but the interior is a revolution. It's a tour de force in terms of its levels of luxury and refinement, normally associated with our bigger Range Rovers.
The dress that I've designed for Adua is made out of the Miko suede, which is one of the interiors on the new Range Rover Evoque. I really think it's important for brands in any capacity to work with sustainable fabrics.
So I'm wearing a dress by my girl Ashley Williams, and what's amazing is it is the same suede cloth that's used in the interior of the car, and actually 40 plastic bottles made this dress, which is brilliant.
I can't wait for Rocket Man to come out. I can't wait to see it actually myself. We had a great time shooting it, and it's a really different role for me. I mean, I'm singing and dancing, which is not my go-to place, but we've got some amazing drama in there, and every song's a hit, so I'm just excited to see it myself and excited to share it.
Kingsman will be carrying on without me in the short term. It's been this incredible journey, and it's a franchise that's taken on its own life, and this next iteration of the story doesn't involve me, but I hope that Eggsy returns at some point. As for when that will be, you're probably better off asking Matthew Vaughan than you are me, but I'm ready and very excited to return to the role.
The Evoque has been an incredibly successful vehicle. It's fastest selling Range Rover ever, and I think that will continue with the new one. I have no doubt.